Now, if you are a content creator or an aspiring content creator, grab your pen and paper because the information I'm about to give you right now is the kind of stuff that people pay lots of money for, and you are getting it for free. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and a very special welcome to all my content creators, digital creators, creatives, YouTubers, vloggers, influencers, or whatever it is that we are calling ourselves these days. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, you are very welcome. My name is Kelechi. If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for your loyalty and your love. As you guys can see, this setup is very different from what we are used to on this channel, and that's because the video you're watching now is going to be the first episode of a 5-part YouTube series that I have created for my channel. This series is called YouTube 101, and what we are going to be talking about is how you can start a successful YouTube channel and how you can grow your YouTube channel if you've started already. So I'm going to be giving you guys all the pros and cons of YouTube. I'm going to be telling you all the helpful tools, tips and tricks you need to take your YouTube channel to the next level, and basically the secret of YouTube that nobody tells you about. Now, if you are a content creator or an aspiring content creator and this sounds like something you would like to hear, then sit back, grab your pen and paper because the information I'm about to give you right now is the kind of stuff that people pay lots of money for, and you are getting it for free. So without further ado, let's begin YouTube 101 episode 1. So for the first episode of this series, the episode that's going to kick off this series is, of course, why you should even start a YouTube channel in the first place. Before I start talking about all the tools and every single thing you need for your channel, we should talk about why you even want to start a YouTube channel. Why am I sitting here telling you that you need to start a YouTube channel? That is what we are going to be talking about in this video. So the first reason why you should start a YouTube channel is, one, if you have a hidden talent, then you need to share it with the world. If you have anything at all that you're good at and you feel like people need to see, you feel like sharing this will bring a lot of value, then you should start a YouTube channel, because in this day and age, that is the best and fastest way to be able to share your talent. Trust me, there are so many things you can be good at that there are other people all over the world that are willing to learn. Are you good at makeup? Can you sing? Can you dance? Can you cook? Are you good with gaming? Are you good with tech? Are you good with instruments? Whatever it may be, the point is you have a hidden gem, and it's about time that the rest of the world sees it. The second reason why you should start a YouTube channel is the fact that your video can be seen anywhere in the world. You have the ability through YouTube to be able to connect with the whole world. Your video can be seen by absolutely anyone and everyone, irrespective of the gender, the geographical location, the age. Anyone and everyone can get access to your videos, can get access to this hidden talent that you would like to share. And just to prove it to you, I'm going to be opening up my analytics just to give you guys an example of what we're talking about. I'm going to be showing you all the different countries where my YouTube videos have reached. So on my analytics, if I just open it up, you can see that my YouTube videos so far have reached countries like Georgia, which is where I am now, Nigeria, India, Canada, United States, Turkey, Iraq, Egypt, Vietnam, Pakistan, Indonesia, United Kingdom, Philippines, Thailand, Algeria. These are just some of the few countries where I have personally reached with my YouTube videos. So if this is where I have reached, imagine YouTubers that have surpassed a subscriber count of over 500,000, over 1 million. They literally have a fan base in every single country in the world. The third reason why I think you should start a YouTube channel is because it opens up so many doors, it opens up so many opportunities. We hear about the different celebrities that got discovered on YouTube. Celebrities like Tori Kelly, the singing group called Pentatonix, Chloe and Halle that were discovered by Beyonce, and most importantly, the person that is one of the biggest pop stars that we have in the world today, Justin Bieber. The next reason I have to give is my personal favorite reason. You should start a YouTube channel because because YouTube can become your own personal video library. Irrespective of the fact that everyone is going to see your videos, it can still be your own personal video diary. I know my channel is a video diary for me, and what I mean by this is, as you put up every single video and as you keep on growing, every single video you upload on YouTube will remind you of where you were at that particular time in your life, where you were physically, where you were emotionally. We now live in a digital world, which means that YouTube is here to stay. 5-10 years from now, you can always go back to those videos and look at your younger self and look at how much you've grown and how much your life has changed. So it's a way to track your progress in your personal life as well. The fifth reason why I feel like you should start a YouTube channel, this point is very self-explanatory. It is fun. YouTube is very, very fun. If you really want to start a YouTube channel, I don't know why you're still procrastinating, why you're still thinking of what other people may say. There is nothing in this world you will do that people will not talk about. It is one hell of a ride, and it's a process that I can assure you that you're going to enjoy so much. The next reason I'm going to give about why you should start a YouTube channel is another reason that is personal to me. YouTube has helped me to break out of my shell, coming from someone that is generally a very shy, introverted, reserved and private person. YouTube has made me to kind of become more vulnerable. It has improved my communication skills. It has helped with my confidence, not just on camera but also in person and with my day-to-day interactions with people. It has also opened my eyes to so many hidden talents that I never knew that I had. As I kept on creating videos, I realized that there are so many other things that I was good at, and I discovered that only through YouTube, something that I would have never realized if I did not start this channel. If you go back and look at all my videos, you're going to see different categories of different types of things. It has also taught me how to do things like video creating. It has helped me to understand the creative process. It has taught me how to edit. It has taught me how to operate the most professional cameras. So many things. The list just goes on and on. It's going to really open up your eyes to so many things, because it's not just making the videos, it's what happens behind the scenes as well. And now the last and final reason, this is what everyone loves to hear: you should start a YouTube channel because it is one of the best ways of passive income. The way I like to look at passive income is that you can literally make money in your sleep. While you're sleeping, YouTube is there adding up all your videos, gathering all your views, all your engagement, and every month they are sending you checks. So YouTube is a way of making money. I don't know if everybody knows that, but when you have surpassed a subscriber count of 1,000 and you have reached a watch time of 4,000 hours, YouTube monetizes your YouTube channel through what is called Google AdSense. But even before the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can still make money through things like affiliate links, through brand partnerships and collaborations, through sponsored videos with brands, and so much more. There are YouTubers right now that make more money in a month than the average person makes in an entire year. YouTube can pay your bills. People have bought houses with YouTube money. People have bought cars with YouTube money. All it takes is to sit down, create your video, YouTube monetizes your video, and you can start cashing out those checks. So guys, those are all the points I have for this video. This is just the first episode, so I did not want to give away too much information just yet. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on. Bear in mind that I'm still going to be uploading my normal YouTube content, so the episodes for this YouTube 101 series are going to be spaced out in between my normal content. That is why I'm saying that you need to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications right now, so that when I post episode 2, you will be able to get notified and watch it. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope I've been able to give you some inspiration about why you should start a YouTube channel right now. If you think you're ready to share your talent with the world, if you're ready to open up opportunities for yourself, if you're ready to have fun, if you're ready to break down all the barriers that you've built, and if you're ready to make money, then go ahead and start your YouTube channel. But don't be so fast to do that. You need to wait to watch the next episode, where I'm going to be talking about different reasons why you should not start a YouTube channel. So it's not just fairy tales and rainbows, guys. There are so many reasons why I would not recommend you starting a YouTube channel. So before you jump right into it, wait and join me on this series to know if starting a YouTube channel is for you or not. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you know any content creator or aspiring content creator that is ready to start their channel or to take their channel to the next level, then please hit the share button and share this video with anyone who might need it. And once again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.